Did you know you can create a basic web page using nothing more than Notepad? You don't need a specialized code editor to get started. In this guide, I'll show you how to write simple HTML, save it correctly, open it in a web browser, and make changes to your page. So let's build one. First, open Notepad using Windows Search or the Start menu. Create a new blank document. This is where we'll write the HTML code for our web page. Make sure you're working with a plain text document, because HTML files are essentially text files containing HTML markup. Now, enter a simple HTML structure. Start with the HTML element, then add a head section and a body section. Inside the head, add a title. Inside the body, add a heading and a short paragraph. For example, you could create a page titled My First Web Page with a welcome message. Next comes the important part, saving the file with the correct extension. Open File and choose Save As. Give your file a name such as index.html. If Notepad shows a file type option, choose All Files so Windows doesn't automatically add a TXT extension. Then select the appropriate text encoding if needed, and save the file. Now open the folder where you saved the file. You should see your HTML document there instead of a normal TXT file. If file extensions are hidden in File Explorer, turn on the option to show file name extensions so you can confirm the file really ends with .html. To view your web page, double-click the HTML file. Windows should open it in your default web browser. You'll see the heading, paragraph, and other content rendered as a web page instead of showing the HTML code. Yeah, that's the basic idea behind how browsers interpret HTML. Want to make a change? Right. Click the HTML file and open it with Notepad, or open the file directly from Notepad. Change some text, then save it again. Return to your browser and refresh the page to see the updated version, so you can repeat this process as many times as you like. And that's how you create an HTML file with Notepad. Write your HTML, save it with the HTML extension, open it in a browser, and refresh whenever you make changes. It's a simple way to learn the basics of web development without extra software. Once you understand this workflow, you can start building much more interesting pages. Thanks for watching.